What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and today we're going to be assembling an engine stand for this K24 build. Let's get it. So this particular engine stand I got is from Harbor Freight. So I got this for under $100, and this particular engine stand can take up to 1,000 pounds. So this will be more than enough for our K24 engine. So right before we start, guys, just want to remind you guys, don't forget to subscribe and like for this video, especially if you want to see more of this content. And let's get started. As you can see, we have everything that we need right here. All the components laying out, including the wheels for the front, this is for the rear, all the nuts and bolts and spacers. And for your sockets, you're gonna need a 19, 17, and a 14. You use a wrench or a ratchet, whatever helps. We're gonna start with the rear part of the stand, which are the two wheels in the back. So for that, you're gonna need your size 17 nuts and bolts, as well as this little tube here. This is going to be going inside the wheel, and then after you do that, it's going to be in between here. You're going to install it like so. Tighten it up, make sure it's nice and snug, and then you do the other one. Next step is to connect these two together. So you want to have these two holes line up with these two holes right here, and then we're going to put this nut or bolt and nut through there and tighten it up. Get the bolt under it, get a nice thing on the other side. And these, I believe, are size 17s. So I'm holding the nut under it just to snug it. I'm not going to tighten it all the way yet. Make sure everything is in line before I do all that. So it's nice and snugged in. Next thing we're going to install with this crossbar are these two wheels. So pretty straightforward. You're gonna have one bolt, one washer. You take those out, leave this extra washer in, just place that in, and then fasten the bolts inward inside the crossbar. And after you tighten it up, you do the same thing to the other side. To install these wheels properly, you definitely need a wrench, size 19, I believe, that to go in here to kind of like turn it as much as you can. Try to get something as well to hold this down while you're trying to tighten it. So it was a kind of hard for me. I don't have a wrench, so what I did, I used the adjustable right here and pretty much connect this, turn it while I have my hand and holding it. Doesn't take that much force to hold this down while turning it, and the key thing, you just want to have to get nice and snug and tight so it's not going anywhere. Next step, take this bar and you're going to put it right below here, and you want to make sure that these two holes tend to line up with these two holes in here. Once you do that, you get a size 17 bolt, put it right through. Next thing you're gonna do is take the other half of the stand, I'm gonna place it inside the bar. We're going to use a size 19 bolt that they gave us. We're gonna put it into this hole right here, and basically this is what helps adjust the length of the stand how you want it. So in this case, once you install it in, then say you want to adjust a little bit more higher, and you turn it and lock it in. So it's not going anywhere. Now you stand up on all 4 wheels. We're going to install the bracket, I believe, for the engine stand. Face that way, going through. You're gonna use this lock pin to keep this entire thing steady. So once you line it up in the hole, right here, just place it through. Now, so as you can see, it's not gonna go anywhere. Last, we're going to install these bracket arms on the bracket plate itself. Go through the guides and use a size 19. Use a size 19 to tighten them up. Definitely want to use a wrench behind it just to get a good snug, but I'm not going to tighten it up too much, mainly because I need to get ready to place this engine on it, so I need to know where exactly I need to be. So also, for this pipe, we're going to put it through this hole. It's basically how you control the entire thing. You want to turn it around. So it's simple, really easy. Place it through here. You have the rubber cover. Put that together. That's it. Once you place that in, pretty much good. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace.